Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And this is one of my better hair transplant result, to tell you the truth. Being Caucasian, this client has a very narrow face, but he has hairline arch up really high up. So what we did is we lowered his hairline quite a bit, around an inch, and built the hairline, have a nice tight zigzag. They call it medium tight. Again, we have 4 different type of hairline. There's a soft hairline, which is a bigger zigzag, and those are more conservative, but then the downside is not as dense. There's a super tight hairline, and that's for celebrity. But it's, you know, they want, hey, look at me, beautiful hair, I look young, but super dense, but it draw attention. This client had actually called medium tight. So medium tight is push the envelope of density, but without drawing much attention to it. And since he has, Caucasian tend to have fine hair, the density is a little bit less than with thicker hair, but we can still achieve with excellent density by dense pack it as much as we can. And you obviously, you can see how natural his hair is, and density as well. And his face completely changed with a full set of hair and a low set of hairline. It really bring out his handsome face. He already handsome to begin with, but this thing is really bringing it out for him. Again, I focus heavily not just on the density but on the artistry of the hairline, because that's really important, because you don't want to do surgery and then people notice that you have had surgery. Oh, that is noticeable. And with his hair, with the artistry and the artistic detail that I create for him, no one can tell he have had any surgery done. If you look at this is where he was before. He has a very high hairline, and it leaves him a big forehead, and it threw his look off a little bit. And look a little bit older when you have a high hairline, but with a full set of hair you look much younger. And you can see we give him a widow's peak, lower the hairline at least an inch, and look at that. And look at this one, lower the hairline, give him a little widow's peak. But you see how natural the artistry of the hairline, nice zigzag, no hairline straight, it has a zigzag to it. And then the angle of the hair flows, and then the density is involved, and there's excellent density. And again, I don't want to do too low straight. Asian hair, being Caucasian, he had to have a little bit arch up a little bit, but not too much. And look at that. That's perfect. Okay, if you can turn face toward me. Look at this here. Excellent. Turn to the other side. Beautiful. Excellent density. If you can look straight at me. Okay, look down, so the eye can see. And this is his real hair. You can look up, you can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with it. And I'm gonna comb through for the audience to see. You see how nice widow's peak I give for him.